Hi friends, I've got something really special today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I've got this parcel from ieebee. They've kindly gifted me a couple of items. So let's open up and see what we've got. It came packaged really well. I've covered up my address. So let's open up and see what we've got in this box. Can't wait, I'm so excited. I did choose these items, so I know what I'm getting. Ooh, look. I'm excited. So first we've got a stamp set. I really like the font on these stamps. These are going to be perfect for journaling and bullet journaling. This is what I'm really excited for, the washi tapes. With your order, you get this little booklet and it shows you all different ways you can use washi tape in your journals. They even show you that you can use washi tape on phone cases. It's a great little book. I'll have a good look through that later. Right, let's get into opening this washi tape. This set is such a treat. There are 40 rolls in the box, which is amazing. Oh, I love the colours. I love how the colours are themed. Greens, oranges, blacks and creams. They're perfect for autumn, Halloween journaling, or even layering in cosy everyday pages. Right, let me get them out and have a closer look. Aren't they packaged really well? Can't wait to use these. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to do easy waterfall tabs using these washi tapes. So stay to the end to watch that. I think having a mixture of widths is really useful because you can use the thinner rolls for little accents and the thicker ones for borders and waterfall tabs. ieebee has such a range of journaling supplies. It's not just washi tape. They also do sticker sets, stamps and loads of other creative journaling goodies. If you're like me and love variety, their website is amazing. They carry themed washi tape sets for different colours, seasons and aesthetics. I will put their link to the website in the description box for you. I've also got a coupon code for 30% off. I'll put it on the screen for you. And if you shop through my link, I get a very small commission, so I appreciate it if you use my link. What I love the most about this set is that all the rolls coordinate, so no matter which ones you use together, they're just going to work. Look at this one, it's absolutely stunning. Love that one. Some of these designs are bold and graphic, while others are more delicate and subtle. I love this one. It'd go really well for Halloween, wouldn't it? Let's have a look at this one. Got a feeling this is going to be beautiful. Oh, it's lovely. Really nice. I always love when a brand creates bundles like this. It makes it so much easier to get started and try out new styles without overthinking. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, I like this one as well. Oh, these are going to be beautiful in the journal. We will have a look at this one. Oh, I like that one. I like them all. We'll have a look at a couple more. And then we'll get on to doing the waterfall tabs using these washi tapes. Have a look at this one. This one's cool. isn't it? I like that one. We'll have a look at this one. I like this one. Nice big wide one. This washi tape set is called Emerald Garden and you get 40 rolls. If you buy anything from ieebee, let me know in the comments and let me know what washi tape set you bought. And don't forget to use my link and my coupon code to get 30% off. Right, now we're going to do some waterfall tabs using this washi tape set. I might use the stamps, I'm not sure yet. Let's choose some of these washi tapes to use. I really like that one, so we'll use that. And I think that one as well. And that one. Let's see. So many options. I think I use this one. Right, let's begin on the waterfall tabs. I'm going to do 3 waterfall tabs. I'm going to start on the back page. Just click these pages. Right, I'm going to turn my journal around. I think it would be easier for me to lay these washi tapes down. I'm going to put this one down first. How beautiful is that? Stunning. So I'm going to put it right up to the edge of the page. Like that. And I grab my scissors and I trim here. And I trim this bit off as well. I'm going to use my corner punch and round these corners off. I think it makes it look really pretty when you could do this. We'll do the next waterfall tab now. Let's get the page. I'm going to choose this washi tape. Just going to put a little bit of washi tape here to mark where that one ends so I know where to put the next one. That's a little tip for you. Right, let's start the waterfall tab. I'm going to use this washi tape and I'm going to lay it right up to that little mark that I made with the other washi tape. I'll try and get it as straight as possible. Like that. I'm going to get my scissors. I'm going to trim this bit off. And I'm not going to trim that bit off. I'm just going to leave it so I know where to do the next waterfall tab. I'm going to take my scissors and trim along this washi tape, removing that bit of paper. That's the front of the first waterfall tab done. I like them two together, they look really nice, don't they? Right, I'm going to do the next one. And I'll choose this one. I'm going to lay this right up to that bit of washi tape that's hanging out. Like that. grab my scissors and I'm going to trim the bottom again. And I'll remove this little bit of washi tape that I've got on the next page, like that. I'm going to get my corner punch and I'm going to punch the corners again. Now I'm going to trim with my scissors along the edge of this washi tape and remove the page like I did with the other one. I'm loving how this is looking. They go so well, these washi tapes, don't they? That's the good thing about buying them in sets. Just going to trim this bit off. I'll get the punch, doing the corners again. Right, let's have a look. Oh, they're looking really nice. I think I'm going to add another one. I'm going to use this washi tape next. Right, I'm going to put a little bit of washi tape again here to mark this one. And then we'll do the next waterfall tab. And this one, again, put it right up to the edge of the washi tape that you used as a marker. And get it as straight as possible. Like that. Grab my scissors and trim this bit off. And I'll trim this bit off as well. And I'm going to trim along here now. I use big scissors because I find it a lot easier and it seems to make a straighter edge when you use the big scissors. I've just got to move this washi tape over a little bit because I didn't get it right up to the edge. That's better. And that's the front of all the waterfall tabs done. I've just got to punch the corners. So that's your waterfall tabs. I'm going to add another one, just one more. So I'll get this page. I'm going to mark again with a little bit of washi tape. And I'm going to lay this one down. Get it up to the edge again. Like that. That looks straight. Oops. That's okay. I'll just trim this bit off. And again, I'm going to cut along the washi tape, remove the rest of that page. Looks so beautiful. I'm really, really liking these washi tapes. Just put a clip on here, and I'll punch these corners. And that's the easy waterfall tabs done. You can leave them like that and not do the back of the pages, but I'm going to go and do the back of the pages. Right, let's look at the finished waterfall tabs. How beautiful have they turned out? And you can use waterfall tabs in journals, notebooks, sketchbooks, anything you want. And they're so easy and they just make things look so much prettier. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and DIY waterfall tab tutorial. I hope it gave you some inspiration for your own journaling, and a big thank you again to ieebee for gifting me these washi tapes and the stamp set. Remember, you can use my referral link below and enter Creative Pages to get 30% off your own ieebee supplies. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more journaling tutorials, and let me know in the comments how you like to use your washi tape in your journal. Until next time, happy journaling. Bye.